Hey everybody, this is Lee from Poplar Studio. I am out today at one of my favorite clients in Skinny Atlas, New York. It is a beautiful lakefront property and we're doing the summer containers up today. Believe it or not, this is not planted. I actually pre-designed this by putting the plants in while they still had pots on them so I could change my mind. And it turns out I'm really happy I did because I moved some plants to another pot and I like this arrangement better. Alright, so these are now planted. I added a little extra soil so that the soil was raised up around the roots. I'm going to pop a couple more wave petunias around so they'll drape over the edge. My thriller plant is this beautiful yellow hibiscus. My filler plant is this circle of osteosperm, which will be medium height. And then I've got a bunch of beautiful trailing plants, which are my spillers. I've got million bells or calibrachoa. This is a purple lantana that's a spiller, which is not normal, usually they're upright. And then a purple potato vine that's going to drape over the side of the pot. And so all of this lower ring is going to drape down. We've got a medium, and then the thriller is this beautiful yellow. So I love this combination. I have never done this set of plants before, and can't wait to see how they turn out in a couple weeks.